Hey guys, what's up? Check out this nice mess I got here. I got myself a new board to replace an old board that failed. This isn't new at all. We got a biostar H81S2. Pretty old, socket 1150. That's what I had. And the other one, it was some H97 board that failed on me. Just updating the BIOS. Here in the home gym / computer build station. Can't neglect your health. You gotta keep on your health as well. It's not all about mining and trying to make that money. You gotta stay healthy. Here's an old Dell that kinda bit the dust. Old risers and everything there. There's another case. An RX 580 that I need to fix. There's a little box there. Whole lot of graphics card boxes. I need some proper storage, but for now that works. And these ones are going to get, not these 8 here, or for a new build, waiting for a pretty sweet case for that. This is going to get this one right here. MSI 3060. Up here we got a 3060 Ti. This one of those Gigabyte Auroras overpriced ones. These are like little tiny kid fans in here. They're hilariously small. I don't know, like Gigabyte, man. You get their highest end model. This thing is super light. Hardly any metal in there, hardly any copper. These super tiny baby fans. I guess maybe it has some fancy lights, I don't know. That thing was brand new MSRP after tax. Something like $915. It's a total ripoff. You get a 3070 for the same price. For cheaper actually. But whatever. I wanted to try one out and just see. So there it is. And I got some 3060s sitting somewhere that are gonna go in this. And then this is a 3070 as well. So this is gonna get some odds and ends and kind of get them up and running. There you go, BIOS is done. Updating, so time to fiddle with that, get it all set up. And I will be building that thing. But the real exciting build comes next week. Next week when I get that cool case from spiderminer, holds 8 cards, and I will be throwing those in there. These are all twin edge OCs, just only one side of the box shows it. Boxes aren't all facing the same direction. Anyways, take it easy guys, enjoy your Sunday morning.